Hello everyone, welcome to Sailed IAS. My name is Bipan Samal and welcome to the series of world map discussion. As you know, in previous 3 videos, we have completed important rivers, important mountains and important lakes of Africa, and also we have seen some important state which passes all the latitude, that is Tropic of Cancer, Tropic of Capricorn and Equator. After complete Africa continent, now the time is to discuss about another important continent, that is North America. If you see the North America, the location of North America, it is situated entirely in the northern hemisphere and almost in the western hemisphere, and it is bordered with north by Arctic Ocean, east by Atlantic Ocean, and west by Pacific Ocean, and southeast by we have Caribbean Sea in southeast, and also it is connected with South America. Now, the North America, it is the world's third largest continent after Asia and Africa. In other words, the northern part of North America, it is only 500 kilometers from northern poles, and the western boundary of North America, it is only about 10 kilometers from the international date line. And this North America, that is huge landmass which includes 3 largest countries. In northern part we have Canada, in middle part of the continent we have USA, and south of USA the another continent is Mexico. Apart from this, the northwest part of North America, there is one strait called Bering Strait. This Bering Strait, which separate Asia from North America, and the southeast we have Isthmus Panama, which connect North America to South America. So these are the basic information about North America. Apart from this, let's discuss some important river which are important for prelims point of view. The first river is river Mississippi, and the origin of river Mississippi, it is origin from Red Rock of Montana. This location is Red Rock of Montana, and it moves towards southeast, and it's ending with Gulf of Mexico, and where it is ending at Gulf of Mexico, it is making a delta, that is Birdfoot Delta. Why it is Birdfoot Delta? Because the shape of the delta is look like foot of the bird. That's why it is known as Birdfoot Delta. And the next information with respect to river Mississippi, its tributary. The first tributary is Missouri. Missouri joined with Mississippi at St. Louis. You can say St. Louis is a place, it is the confluence of river Missouri and Mississippi. Missouri and Mississippi. The another important tributary of river Mississippi is Ohio. It is situated in the eastern part of river Mississippi, and the another tributary, which is right bank tributary of river Mississippi, it is known as Arkansas. So these are the important information with respect to river Mississippi. So the source is Rock, Montana, and mouth of river is Gulf of Mexico, where it making delta, that is Birdfoot Delta. Apart from this, there is three important tributary. One is Missouri River, which connect with river Mississippi at St. Louis. The left bank tributary is Ohio, and the right bank tributary is Arkansas. And the second important river is river St. Lawrence. When you talk about St. Lawrence, it starts with, there is an important lake called Lake Ontario, and from Lake Ontario it moved toward the northeast direction and joined with Gulf of Mexico. Sorry, it is not Gulf of Mexico, Gulf of America. And there is an important waterfall situated in the river Lawrence, that is called Niagara Fall. So there are three things important with respect to river, what is called river Lawrence. So first information, its source and its mouth, and there is important waterfall, that is Niagara Fall. The third important river is river Colorado. So it starts with river Colorado, starting from the source of river Colorado is Grand Country. It is known as Grand Countries. And it flowing toward the southwest, and the mouth of the river is Gulf of California. And there is important dam which is situated on this river is Dam Hoover, and the second dam is Boulders. So remember the things with respect to river Colorado. Their source is Grand Country, mouth is Gulf of California. There are two important dams with of river Colorado. The first is Hoovers, and second is Boulders. And the fourth river, which is also important, that is river Columbia. River Columbia, the source of river Columbia is British Columbus, and it flowing toward the northwest direction and ending with Gulf of Pacific Ocean. And there is an important tributary of this river which flowing as lake neck structure. This is called Snake River. This is the tributary of River Columbia. And there are three important dams which situated over this river is, first is Grand Coulee, second is Bobby, and third important dam is Joseph. So these are three important dams which is situated on the river Columbia. So these are important information of North America and some important river of North America which are important for the prelims point of view. So in the next video we'll understand some important lakes which are also important for the prelims point of view and important mountains. So stay tuned for the new video operation. Thank you so much.